In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys step by step on how you can dropship from Amazon to eBay. This is going to be a step by step video. I'm also going to show you guys some tips on how you can avoid eBay suspension. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how you can do dropshipping the correct way on eBay. Okay, so first thing you need to do, guys, if you want to dropship from Amazon to eBay, by the way, like dropshipping from Amazon to eBay is almost the same thing. Dropship, for example, if you have dropshipped from like AliExpress or Home Depot or Walmart or Lowe's, it's actually the same thing. Okay, so the method to find a winning product is the same thing. Now I would recommend you guys to not use software. I know that like software companies will hit me for this, but trust me, I have tried. I always, like, since I started dropshipping on eBay, I was doing everything manually. Okay, I was doing like $7,000 in sales a month, $8,000, and since I started like using software, it's like I don't really know what happened. So my sales went down to like $25 per day. Okay, which is like it's going to be like around $600 in sales a month. Okay, so I don't know exactly why. Like, is eBay like recognize that I am using a software? I don't really know. Like, if you have any idea about this, let me know in the comments. Now, I don't really recommend you guys to use software. I know this software makes this like process much easier, especially to find winning products, but really I stopped using it since like eBay flagged my account. I created a new account under my mom's name, so I don't really use my own eBay account anymore, because whenever I try to create an account, it deflagged the account again. Okay, so the listings are not shown to customers on eBay. I don't really know exactly why, but it really happened to me. Okay, so let's get started right now. I'm gonna be showing you guys the method I use to find winning product, and I'm also going to show you guys some tips to avoid like suspension on your eBay. So first thing you need to do, guys, to find a winning product is you want to go to Amazon and find or search for any product. Okay, or you can also like just check all the items here on Amazon, just like find a random item. Okay, for example, I'm going to click on this product, and as you can see, this product has like 24,000 reviews. Now, does that mean I have to list this product on eBay because a lot of people are interested in this product on Amazon? The answer is no, because I don't know if people are going to be interested in this on eBay. So sales on Amazon mean nothing. Okay, so you have to check if people on eBay are interested in this product or not. Now, what I'm going to do in this case, I copy the title of Amazon list, like Amazon product. As you can see, I just copy the title, the whole title, and then what I do, I go to eBay and see if other competitors are selling this exact same product. Now that's all I need to focus on. Okay, so as you can see, this product, the cost of this product is $8. Now I'm going to go to eBay and see if people are selling this product or not. Now it seems like it's the exact same product, as you can see, and this guy is selling this for $14. Okay, also it's free shipping, as you can see, which is great. So the profit margin here is going to be around like $4, because eBay takes 13% of the sale. Okay, so it will take around like $2 out of $14. I know the profit margin is very low on when you dropship from Amazon to eBay. I know that, because that's really my experience with this. But if you want the most, like, if you want to make the most money, dropship from AliExpress to eBay. That's just my 2 cents. Okay, so here, as you can see, this product is the same, but should I list it? The answer is no. Okay, because we have to do more research about this. How we can do that? Okay, so you want to go to open a new browser and download this extension. Okay, this extension will help you to see sales history. Okay, how many items were sold in the last month, if that makes sense. I'm going to show you guys what I mean exactly. Okay, so I'm going to go now, search, like open a new browser and or new tab and search for eBay sales history extension. Okay, click on the first result and download this extension. I already downloaded it. As you can see, guys, it says here remove for me because I already downloaded the extension. Now this extension will help you to see the history. Okay, sales history, okay, or sold history, as you can see. Now after you download it, guys, the moment you download it, now whenever you open eBay listing. If you click here, there will be now a history button added to the eBay listing. Here, as you can see, every listing you open now, you will be able to see this history button. Click on it. Okay, so that's what we want. Okay, so this product was has multiple sales in the last month. As you can see, 12 December. Again, it was sold in 12 December, 19 December, 23 December. So more than 3 sales in the last month. So should we list this product? The answer is a big yes. Okay, so you have to list this product because it's a winning product and it has a lot of sales on eBay, and it's the same. As you can see, always make sure to check the pictures if the product is the exact same product. Okay, you don't want to list a product that is just similar. Okay, make sure the product is the same, because really this is like a business that you want to scale, so you don't want problems. Okay, so yeah, so just list this product on your eBay, assuming you already know how to list. If you don't know, guys, it's very easy. Just click on sell in the top right here, and then you want to click on single listing. Click on single listing. By the way, I didn't mention this, I forgot it. Always when you find a winning product, when you are done, you already found a winning product, don't copy the title of Amazon seller. Okay, copy everything from Amazon, like the pictures, the description. It's okay. Okay, make sure the description doesn't include anything that says they're Amazon or anything like that. Okay, a word that include like Amazon, like make sure the description doesn't say Amazon, okay, on it. If it says that, just remove it. Okay, now as you can see, guys, the title on eBay is proven to work. So these people are searching for this title on eBay. So that's exactly what you need to do, guys. You want to search for, you want to copy this title on eBay because it's proven to work. People are searching for this title. Okay, so that's exactly what you need to do. Now just copy the title. I'm going to copy it right now, Ctrl C, and now I'm going to paste it here, Ctrl V. Now after that, you want to click on new with box, continue selling, continue listing, and now you just need to add the item specifications. You can come up with these item specifications here in the product page here on eBay. These all the item specifics. As you can see the size here, type, all these specifications here will be provided to you here on the eBay listing. Okay, so that's all you need to do, guys. This is exactly my method to find a winning product manually. Now if it has no more sales than, like, if it doesn't have 3 sales in the last month, just ignore the product. It's not worth your time, because it doesn't really matter how many light items you list on your eBay if they are not winning products. Like when I first started doing eBay dropshipping, I was listing 1,000 items. I was always calling eBay to increase the selling limit on my eBay, and guess what? I wasn't even getting sales because I didn't know this method. Okay, so this is really the best way, guys, to find winning products, is to find the products with 3 sales in the last month. Always focus on that. Okay, so you can also find winning, because this guy is a dropshipper. You can just spam his eBay account. You can go and see his other listings and see if he has other successful listings, and after you find that, you can then copy the title from eBay and search for the product on Amazon and see if there is a profit margin that if you can make some money on the product. Okay, and then you can list it. Okay, that's exactly how you can. If you don't understand, like if there is something I said you don't understand, let me know in the comments. I reply, guys, to every single one. Okay, every single comment I will reply to you guys. Okay, now this is really, if you want to know what I do here with my life, all I do, guys, is drop shipping. So I can answer any question you have about eBay drop shipping. Okay, especially eBay drop shipping. I also do like Shopify drop shipping, but I am very, very expert in eBay drop shipping. Okay, so my English wasn't really that good when I first started. The reason why my English now is a little bit better is because I was using English all day on eBay. So I was talking to customers. I was like, so I learned it without me knowing that. So that's exactly, guys, how you can do this. Okay, to avoid, guys, suspension, when you receive a sale, make sure you ship the product within the first day, okay, or the second day, depending on the handling time you have stated on your eBay listing. Now I always add the 3 business days, but I always ship the product as soon as possible. Okay, because that's really helpful, because like eBay will rank your products much higher in the search results. Okay, that's really what I noticed. And also you can avoid suspension because eBay will think, okay, this guy takes this business seriously, he ships the products like immediately. That's really a good sign. Okay, that's exactly, I wish I didn't forget anything, because if you like I said, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Now if you want me guys to do this for you, if you want me to drop ship on your account, if you want like me to list products and find unique products, I will do everything for you. Just give me a new eBay account and I will take it from $0 to $2,000 a month, or $3,000 or $6,000 a month. I can do that. Okay, you can just let me do the work, just watch me, and I will take that account, and you can then, when I scale it to 3,000 or 4,000, then I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can scale it even more. Okay, $10,000 a month. Now I've made like 2 gigs on Fiverr. Just go to the link in the description and you will be able guys to find my gigs there. As you can see, I will follow you, I will help you reach $3,000 $300 a month in sales. This is just for beginners who just got started with eBay dropshipping. Okay, now the requirements here is you will like if you want to choose this premium package, you need to have at least 500 like selling limits. Okay, so you have to do that. Check your eBay if it has like over 500 selling limits, because I need to list as many products as possible on your eBay store. Okay, so yeah, if you have guys any questions, like I said, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment, and yeah, see you guys next video. Love you guys, see you guys next video.